you get a tour, you get a tour. This video, you have the opportunity to win a free tour with Colin from Totally Seattle Tours. I am doing one of them today, and I'm gonna see some things besides, you know, your typical tourist stops like the Space Needle and Pike Place. I'm gonna show you the hottest hidden gems. Hey, welcome back to Local in Seattle. I'm Kelly Hansen, and giveaway alert, okay? Today's video is a giveaway. You could possibly win a free tour valued at around $600 from Totally Seattle Tours. It can be custom to you and some friends and family, and I'm gonna have all that information later in the video on how you can enter. But back to, of course, what this video is about today, which is all about how to see Seattle in 24 hours, okay? So we're gonna go to several different stops throughout the city through the eyes of a local. So without further ado, let's go find Colin and let's get this tour started. I got a new mask. I didn't think that I would ever be this excited about a new mask, but it's very wild. I feel like it matches the spring dress and theme. Hi, Colin!
Hey, Kelly, how's it going?
So good! Is this our little chariot today?
Your chariot awaits, Miss Hansen. Please
Thank you! Oh my gosh, great! Oh wow, flowers?
Oh, fresh from the market.
What?
Got you some cookies from the Panier.
Oh my gosh, this is incredible already. You know you're in a locals car when they have this.
Oh, you bet.
Amazing. Okay, first stop, you have to go to Kerry Park in Queen Anne. Super easy parking, gorgeous view behind me. On a good day, this is where you want to get all of the pics.
Must stop on any tour of Seattle, in my opinion. It was donated to Seattle by Mr. and Mrs. Albert Sperry Carey in 1927, just so that all could enjoy the view.
Are you guys fans? You guys are Grey's Anatomy fans? Oh, I never knew it was right here.
Are you really a YouTube fan?
I am. Please follow. Thank you so much.
Picking up fans like.
I know.
And this is the intern house.
Correct. All of them live together here.
Yeah. Now in 2018, this was valued at 1.7 million, so I'm sure it's well above 2. Iconic, you know, corner houses of the Queen Anne neighborhood.
Colin recommends driving the waterfront to see the Great Wheel and then cruising through the International District. Shout out to the Korean rice dogs, so good, and the oldest Chinese restaurant where there's a Bruce Lee booth.
So we are at Jose P. Rizal Park. This is at the top of the International District here in downtown Seattle. We have just an amazing overlook. Looking out over Elliott Bay, you can see West Seattle in the distance, the Duwamish Head, and that is where the original settlers, the Denny Party, first set up camp and you know, started building Seattle. Columbia Tower is the tallest building in Seattle. That's the big black one right over there. The Smith Tower right over there has a little pyramid at the top. That's actually a private residence, which is now up for rent. 17 grand a month if you have the money. Okay, Colin brought me amazing chocolate chip cookies from Pike Place. Oh wow. Okay, one of my favorite stops is at the UW, the cherry blossoms. They're gorgeous. So Colin, of course, took me here to see because it's only in springtime. So you're welcome. Here in the U District at Mountaineering Club, and this view, I told you can legitimately see the Space Needle behind me. It's gorgeous, and this is the perfect way to cap off a nice little tour in Seattle. So bring your friends, bring your family. They have awesome food, drinks, it's incredible. So starting with this, cheers. Ooh, on fire.
I'm never leaving. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video with Totally Seattle Tours. This was so much fun, and all of this food and s'mores and everything is epic. I hope you visit Mountaineering Club soon. And of course, without further ado, if you want to win a free tour that's gonna be totally customized to you and a few of your friends, I'll have all that information in the YouTube description. But first, make sure to get entered, that you comment below on where you definitely want to go with Totally Seattle Tours, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you can be entered. And then for an extra entry, follow me on Instagram Live with Kelly Hansen and Local Lens Seattle. So with all of that, good luck, and until the next adventure, I'll see you next time. Bye.